Hello and welcome to the module Digital Learning and Teaching Tools. This module focuses on deploying digital tools and methods to deliver quality and inclusive education. It also aims to support school teachers and educators in delivering online classes by promoting open technological and innovative educational resources. While digital technologies have the potential to transform the classroom by providing new ways for educators to engage with their learners, at the same time, digital tools are a helpful resource to free up time for individual attention and can also help teachers tailor the learning experience to individual students' needs. One of the main challenges of moving to online learning has been adapting our resources and approaches to ensure that all learners feel supported and confident and are still making progress. This transition from the physical classroom to online can be incredibly challenging for learners with special educational or additional needs. A simple example is that in the physical classroom, teachers can generally see when students with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder are confused, fidgety, and need a quick refocus prompt. But many of these signals are lost in translation during, for example, Zoom instruction. Research has recently found that 31% of parents of kids with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder described remote learning as very challenging and struggle to support their children at home. Educators and students can be at a disadvantage too. And because learning from home is generally more independent, it requires more focus and organization, two qualities of an short supply for students with special educational needs. This module will cover questions about digital learning and why it is important, what are the benefits and risks of teaching online, especially for students with special educational needs, and will provide practical information on handling resources and time to make online learning more accessible. This training course is designed for teachers and educators who would like to adapt existing learning resources to an online learning environment. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the concept of digital learning, its benefits in education, and create processes to manage online education effectively. You will be able to discover online tools and their capabilities in delivering lessons online and increase your competencies and skills when using digital tools to engage and motivate students. In this module, you can expect to try out some new things. You will find a range of good practices, practical tips, techniques and examples on how to improve the digital learning skills of the learner and how to make online learning more accessible for learners, especially for students with special educational needs. This module will offer some practical strategies and a list of digital tools for communication, collaboration, practice and assessment that you can use in your classroom to ensure inclusivity. Be prepared to have some fun and make sure you absorb all the knowledge from this training module by completing the evaluation questionnaire at the end of this course. We wish you good luck and we look forward to learning with you.